Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Tech Academy. My name is Imran Khan. I'm a technology and product professional with 19 years of experience. In today's video, we are going to break down 15 product management terms which every product manager should understand. If you're entering into product or trying to grow in PM career, this vocabulary will help you to communicate clearly and operate confidently in your day-to-day work. I've organized this into three different areas: choosing the right problem, defining success, executing with your team. Let's start. PRD, Product Requirement Document. The PRD is the blueprint of the product. It documents goals, features, and requirements so every team is aligned. Think this as a shared contract between design, engineering, and product. A strong PRD reduces confusion and fast track execution. Acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria defines when a feature is truly complete. It defines minimum standard a product should meet before the release. This removes ambiguity and ensures everyone in the team knows what actually done means. A/B testing. A/B testing compares two versions of a product to see which performs better using real data. Instead of guessing, you experiment. The version which improves user behavior wins. Great PM trust experiment over opinion. Backlog. Backlog is the master list of ideas, features, and improvements. It acts as a team's inventory of future work. Disciplined backlog hygiene keeps the roadmap under control. Disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation describes simple, affordable solution that start small but eventually transform industries. These products may look weaker at first, but they rapidly improve and change the market. Feature flags. Feature flags let team turn on features on or off in live products without a full release. They enable safe testing and controlled rollouts. Jobs to be done. Jobs to be done says customer don't buy product, they hire them to solve problems. Great PMs don't chase features. They focus on the real job the customer is trying to accomplish. MVP, minimum viable product. An MVP is the smallest product version that solves real user problem. The goal isn't perfection, it's fast learning. You launch early, gather feedback, and iterate based on reality. PMF, product market fit. Product market fit happens when users want your product and keep coming back. It signals scaling now makes sense. Growing without PMF leads to waste. Roadmap. Roadmap is a prioritized plan showing what the team will build next and why. It connects strategy to execution and keeps everybody aligned on long-term direction. Tech debt. Tech debt is the long-term cost of development shortcuts. It will help you to move fast today, but it will slow you down tomorrow if ignored. Great PM balance speed with sustainability. User stories. User stories describe features from the customer perspective. They explain why behind the work, so the team builds with empathy, not instructions. UX, user experience. User experience is the total experience a user has with your product. It's just not the visuals. It sees flow and clarity. Wireframes. Wireframes are simple visual sketches of product structure. This will help teams to discuss ideas before investing in full design. Pivot. Pivot is a strategic change in direction based on new learning. You adopt because you discovered this change as a better opportunity. Strong team evolves, weak team stays stuck. These are 15 essential product management terms which every product manager should know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Subscribe to the Product Tech Academy channel for more practical product management content. Like and share this video if it is helped. I'll see you in next video.